If your animals are dying but there are no signs of a virus, your hens have stopped laying but their feed troughs are full, you might think it's bad luck or the weather, but the problem could be hiding in their feed. It's called aflatoxin. It's a toxic mold that grows on maize, groundnuts and soy. You can't always see it, you can't always smell it, but they are 100% deadly. Today, you'll learn how to stop the signs of poisoning in your livestock, and most importantly, you'll learn a simple low-cost way to test your feed at home before it's too late. Welcome to ChijaneAgritech, where we explore techniques and technologies in agriculture. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share and subscribe. Aflatoxins are poisonous byproducts produced by certain molds, mainly Aspergillus flavus. They thrive in warm, humid conditions, exactly the kind of weather we have across most parts of Africa. It is dangerous because it destroys the liver of your animals. Even if it doesn't kill them immediately, it weakens them so much that a simple cold could kill them. If your cows eat contaminated feed, the toxin passes into the milk. If your hens eat it, it goes into the eggs. You aren't just protecting your farm, you are protecting yourself and your customers. Before we go on to testing the feed, first you have to look at your animals. For poultry, you see a pale bird syndrome. Their legs and combs will turn pale. They lose their appetite and their wings may droop. For pigs, you see a stunted growth and sudden internal bleeding. For cattle, you see a drop in milk production and a staring coat syndrome, which makes their hair dull and rough. If you see these signs and your vet doctor can't find a disease, your feed is the first suspect. While a laboratory test is the most accurate, it's expensive and slow. Here is how you can do a screening test from your home today. I will be showing you two methods to carry out this test. The first method is the UV light test. Step number 1, get a UV flashlight. You can buy it online or at a tech shop. Step number 2, darken the room, then spread a sample of your grain on a flat surface. Step number 3, shine the UV light over the grain. You are looking for a bright neon green-yellow fluorescence. Step number 4, not every glow is aflatoxin, but if your grain glows like a neon sign, do not feed it to your animals. It is a massive red flag. Method number 2, the visual and smell check. This one is a very simple process. First, you look for caked grain or greenish gray powder near the germ of the maize. Secondly, you smell for musty or stale odor. If it smells like a damp room, throw it out. Now, let's talk about how to stop the growth. Testing is good, but prevention is better. Number 1, ensure your grain is dried to below 13% moisture. Number 2, never store feed bags directly on the concrete floor. Use wooden pallets to allow airflow. And number 3, if you suspect a low level of toxin, use toxin binders like clay or activated charcoal mixed into the feed. If you would like to know how to use charcoal for your poultry, you can watch it here in my video, or you find the link in the description box below. These toxin binders trap the poison so the animals poops it out instead of absorbing it. Farming is tough enough without some hidden enemies eating away your profits. Check your feed, get a UV light, and keep your storage dry. If you learned something new today, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.